पता नहीं होता है कि कौन सा ब्रांड कहाँ है. So you know that it's very fair, it's very equal, and the best. And I think that when you're here at the Retail Jewelers India Awards, the most important thing is I've been coming here again and again, and this is my 4th year in a row when I've been the jury. It's just firstly as a judge, you just have such a great understanding of jewelry, and you learn over the years, and it's only something that being on a forum and a platform like this, you end up learning so much more. Secondly, and most importantly, I always say this, and I have it. This is like the Oscars for jewelry in India. It's like all the jewelers, all the best jewelers come together, and it's almost anonymous because when we're judging, जब यहाँ पे हम judge करते हैं और जब score करते हैं jewelry को, हमें पता नहीं होता है कि कौन सा brand कहाँ है. So you know that it's very fair, it's very equal, and the best. And the process that happens here, the 10 pieces that we see in every category, or sometimes 15, they're definitely chosen over thousands of pieces that experts have brought to us. So it's a very interesting way of doing this. I'm just happy that I get to come here year after year, and more importantly, I'm just happy that I have an understanding of jewelry even without coming from a background where I didn't know much about jewelry. Today I end up knowing a lot more, which is really creditable for someone like me.
But this year, which kind of jewelry you personally want to see? Because in third year, like so many different categories.
I know, but then I'll tell you, as a judge, my taste in every category is different. कि ठीक है, bridal में ऐसा होना चाहिए, या फिर modern में ऐसा होना चाहिए, या platinum में ऐसा होना चाहिए. But as a person, I've grown. पहले मुझे बहुत बड़े statement pieces अच्छे लगते थे, but now I like more vintage, more pieces that are older and that have a story to tell. I like pieces like that. But maybe in a couple of years it'll change again. But I don't think I've graduated to platinum and diamonds just yet.
Personally, which kind of jewelry you personally?
I love emeralds, and that's why I have emeralds on. I think last year also I wore the same earrings and came because I love emeralds so much that I keep wearing the same pieces. And I think the thing about jewelry is that the most beautiful part is you don't never feel the pressure. ऐसा नहीं है जैसे कपड़े पहनते हैं और हर रोज ऐसे लगता है कुछ अलग पहनना है. अगर आपको एक jewelry का piece अच्छा लगता है, you can even wear it for 5 years or 10 years, and you can wear it every day, and it's just timeless and it's classic. It never actually grows old.
Any memories you want to share with jewelry?
Jewelry, I'm not a big jewelry collector. I don't own too much real jewelry of my own because I like having one or two pieces, and then those pieces I like wearing all the time. But yeah, for me, my most prized possession that I own is a bracelet, which is like Basra pearls and 24 karat gold. Actually, you don't get that very much and in such pure form now. And my grandmother gave it to me. It was something that she used to wear. And I'm a little scared of wearing it outside कि कहीं गिर ना जाए, कुछ हो ना जाए. But yes, for me, that's my most prized possession of jewelry. And yeah, and there's this beautiful chain that my mother has given me, and it's so long that you can wear it long and you can make it short like a choker. It's pure gold, but it's just beautiful. Every time I wear it, I just feel like I have my mom very, very close to me. So yeah, both the pieces.
Same time, fans are missing Siddharth coming back.
Well, I have another film of mine called Moh Maya Money that's coming out. It should come out by the end of this year. It's a very independent, small, interesting film. The ones that I like to do. So I'm currently dubbing for that, and it's making me nervous to see myself on the big screen. But yeah, it's fun because I have taken a little bit of a shift, and like you guys say, a break. But it's the wait for interesting films to come. I think it's always quality over quantity as far as I'm concerned. Thank you very much. Thank you.